Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In the last video, you saw me take the sandbox from here and move it to a different part of the property. Today, I want to drop these couple of trees behind me. The tree to your right is a tree of heaven, and it's dead. And the tree on the left is a maple, and it's a split trunk. I want to get rid of that. So as you can see, this tree here, it's dead at the top. There's nothing really growing on it. And it's positioned perfectly to fall right on my woodshed. So I want to get rid of that. I'll also get rid of this multi-trunked tree here and drop that. I might save this for firewood, although I've never burnt the tree of heaven, so we'll see what that's like. First things first here, we're going to clear out this area so that we don't dull our chainsaw on the first cut. And there's some around here. Oh. Come on, there we go. All right. I might leave the stumps up, see if I can pull them out later. So the idea is to cut them about knee high, waist high, so that maybe I can pull out that stump, but I'm not very optimistic. It looks like it's in there. All right, let's go ahead and get this thing started. All right, we'll pull it down. Maybe we won't. Let's roll the dice. See what happens. All right, so I went and got a rope. See if that'll help us. First shot. That'll work. All right. All right, so the idea here is to just keep it from smashing my garage. Pretty good goal. So to do that, I'll wrap it around this tree down here. Should probably throw in a disclaimer that I am not, if you couldn't tell, a certified arborist. Just can't afford one. So we're going to do it the way that I know how, which is safety at some point, as Mike Kleeman says. Here we go. I apologize for the heavy breathing. Just how I'm built. Did you ever, oh, that's sketchy. Broken rung. Did you ever take a look at something twice and then realize, boy, I'm glad I didn't do that. This is one of those moments. I tied it off to a branch and not the actual tree, so instead of just pulling the whole tree, it would have pulled the branch and just spun the branch. Wouldn't have pulled the tree at all. Probably would have did a cool dance right before it hit my garage. Broken rung. All right. I'll throw that away sometime. Also, I said that I wasn't going to pull it. But now, part of my whole second thought process is, yeah, you should probably pull that. So, got to come along. I'm going to put some tension on it. There we go. All right, here we go. I might have to start and stop a lot to get this thing to fall where I want it to. All right, now we're going to pull. Oh, it's going to pull over. But maybe not. All right. All right. Now you can get a better look at this dead one here. There's 0 buds growing on it. That's the next one. So this one has a pretty favorable, ooh, words are tough, favorable lean. So we're just gonna drop it. All right, this is almost going too well. And as soon as I said that, my mic stops working. That's okay, we'll just fall back on a voiceover. So here I'm just cutting down that last tree that was hanging over the woodshed. Since I'm a one-man team here, I'm running down to my ratchet so I can try to pull that tree instead of just having it fall. Like I said earlier, it's a pretty heavy lean over that woodshed, so I'm trying to pull it on top of the other ones. And there it goes. It's a thing of beauty. Now there is a plan for all this debris and firewood. I'm not just going to let it lay here for the kids to climb on, although they'd probably love that. I'm most likely telling you how out of breath I am. There we go. So that is a nice pile of work right there. I'm starting to think it looked better up in the air. This is a mess. Well, that's about all I can get done today though. But it's not the end of the video. We'll pick up tomorrow. So the next step for these two piles is to take it to our local township building. They have a program where they'll mulch it and then deliver it to local parks and playgrounds. And I'd be happy to give them some material to work with. I want to thank you for clicking on this video, and I'm hoping to catch you on the next one. It's going to be a camping video, so stay tuned for that.